$96 from Fiverr today. And so I am very excited to share that with you. How I was able to come up with $96 straight to my bank account. I will teach you. Let's go and make dollars. Hello mga moms. Welcome to Mrs. Momshi TV. I am your host, Candy, and today we're going to talk about earning dollars online the legit way. Hindi po ito scam, hindi po ito pyramiding scheme, at wala po kayong startup capital dito. Okay? Today, papakita ko sa iyo yung earnings ko dito sa Fiverr at kung paano ko nakuha itong $96 in the first month. Okay, actually, so I started signing up on Fiverr last April of 2020. This year lang po. And then, I put in some gigs, about 5 or 4 gigs yata yung nag-upisa ako dun sa 4 gigs. Tapos, I've waited and waited and waited. Wala pong nangyari sa akin. But, one day, that was exactly like about a month after I signed up, I registered at the site, and I received 2 messages. So somebody messaged me, and they were both from America, and they were asking questions if I can help them with their task. And so I said, of course, yes, I can help you with that. That is what my gig offers. And so they gave me information about their request, and then they finally ordered a gig. And then, so I was so excited because mahirap makakakuha ng client doon. And so I was so excited, and they, this person, actually isa lang yung I ended up with 1 client. Dalawa sila nag-inquire, I ended up with 1 client. And so this person needed videos. This person needed videos at saka graphics. And so sabi, actually yung gusto niya videos lang. And then over the course of our conversation, we had a chat, and he said, I would also like some graphics. Then, I would also want some transcription. And so, kaya yun, nakakuha ko ng order worth $120 from just 1 person. So, yun yung benamano ko, guys. And I was so happy. I was feeling so blessed, at saka natutuwa talaga ako. And from then on, na-motivate na ako na i-nurture yung account ko sa Fiverr. Okay, so ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung pag-withdraw ko sa earnings ko. Actually, papunta to sa bank account ko. Yun yung pinili ko na method of payment, yung Payoneer. Pero meron pang ibang ways like PayPal, meron din silang Fiverr Revenue Card ata yun. And then we also have yung Payoneer, wherein you will just have to integrate your bank account dun sa mismong account. So, napili ko yung Payoneer. And eto na, guys, I'm going to withdraw my earnings. Okay, so I finally received a notification na yung deposit it's being processed, and it will only take 1 day para ma-reflect or ma-clear na yun dun sa account ko. And so I'm so very excited, and that's why I'm here to share with you some tips on how you can also earn dollars at home during this pandemic. So, pang extra income to mga moms, sa mga gustong mag-earn ng extra income dyan, dagdag kita for the family, eto na yun mga moms. So, paano nga ba magsimula? Okay, so bago ko yan i-reveal sa inyo, please subscribe. Huwag niyong kalimutan yun para next time mag-upload ako ng video, malalaman nyo kaagad. So, as I mentioned earlier, $120 yung exact order niya. However, I was able to withdraw $96 na lang. Bakit kaya? Well, yung Fiverr kasi, they always get a cut from each of your earnings. Parang about 10 or 20% yata yung cut nila. So, okay na yun, guys, because signing up on Fiverr is free. Tsaka kailangan din kumita nung site. So, okay na yun. Okay na yun sa akin. So, kaya naging $96 na lang yung kita ko for the month of May yun. Okay. So, I'm so excited about June. Ano kaya yung magiging outcome nito? Kung meron ba bang papasok na new clients doon or wala? Well, let's see. So, ano nga ba talaga yung Fiverr? So, I'm going to tell you and give you a walkthrough on what the site looks like, ano yun, and how does it work for all of us, for you. Okay, so Fiverr is a well-known online global marketplace. Para rin siyang, isipin nyo yung Shopee. Yung Shopee, nagbibenta siya, you're able to go there and sell products. Pero dito, you are actually selling your skills, your services. Hindi siya tangible item na kailangan mong i-ship, kailangan mong i-deliver, hindi ganon. So, you're selling skills. Okay, so, right now, gusto ko na kumuha kayo ng ballpen at saka paper, ilista nyo kung ano yung mga possible skills na pwede nyong pagkakitaan online sa site na ito na Fiverr. So, for example, if you are a professional DJ in real life, or maganda ba kayong magsulat, or may maganda kayong boses at nagigig kayo dun sa mga concerts or cafes or whatever, yung mga events, pwede nyo yun pagkakitaan dito sa site na to. Imagine, there are clients looking for people na kumakanta lang ng happy birthday. Yun. So, you know, you can offer that with a twist. Meron ding clients na nagpapa-review ng mga products nila, mga services nila through a video. You can also do that if you know that you're good with talking or singing or writing or whatever. So meaning it's this site is not only limited to creative people na yung mga tech savvy, yung mga kabisado yung computer or what. It's open to anybody out there who is willing. So mga moms, ito na yung chance nyo na magkaroon ng extra side hustle at posible kayong makaka-earn ng, sobra pa sa $5 or $96. Who knows? Because yung pinakamalaking earning dito sa site na to, would you believe magkano? It's $9,000 per gig. So would you imagine that? Bakit nyo naman ito palalampasin? It's already there. It's a provided resource for all of us. It's free and we can really take advantage of it as long as we have the skills to offer. Of course, you're willing, you are able to, you want to take action. So, yeah, posible po yan. Always remember, mga moms, that you need hard work at saka patience para mag-succeed dito sa platform na to. I mean, kagaya lang ng ibang negosyo dyan na you really need to do hard work, you need your patience, you need to be humble, you need to be willing. Talagang work hard, talagang hustle ito. Pero it really proves to pay off in the long run. Okay? So, if you just sit there and wait, this opportunity will slip from your hands. And so, gusto ko na pag matapos mo watch tong video na to, ay punta na kayo kagad sa fiverr.com, mag-sign up na kayo, mag-register na, ilagay nyo na yung mga skills na naisulat nyo dyan sa paper nyo, at ilagay nyo na doon, you sell it, you promote it on your social media, and who knows, you will be the next highest earning freelancer there on Fiverr. O, diba? So, if you have any questions about Fiverr.com or anything about online marketing or freelancing, let me know po. Pag-uusapan natin dito sa ating channel. Keep it here po sa Mrs. Momshi TV. Stay pretty, mga moms, and let's make it global. Okay, see you in the next video.